This week, we're in a new place. Well, not really. It's the same place. It just got a whole new look, and that's what we're talking about in this week's video. Hey there, everybody. My name is Adrian. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'd love to have you join, so make sure to go hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on awesome new content every single week. If you've been following my Instagram, you've probably seen that I started remodeling my room about a week ago, and there's still a lot that needs to get done. But let's take a look at what I've done in this past week. I started by clearing out the room, and then I started taping down some plastic so that I just wouldn't get any paint or any of that onto the carpet. Don't try to tape onto carpet, just use a license plate or a piece of cardboard or something to mask off the carpet when you're painting that section. Then I went ahead and filled in the holes that I had added up over time in the walls. I filled those holes in with some drywall filler. I got this stuff from Home Depot. It worked really great, and it dried quickly and sanded really easily. Before I got started painting anything, I wanted to put up the fake brick wall, so I went ahead and trimmed those sheets down to the right size, and I actually just put them up by screwing them into the studs behind them. That was kind of a hit or miss process. I did end up just going straight into drywall quite a few times. Then I went ahead and started painting. First I started by painting the gray walls, and then I went ahead and painted the brick wall black. I did have some help here from my buddy Steven. It took quite a while, but with his help we got it done in a relatively reasonable amount of time. The next thing that I had to get done is I had to build a desk so that I could go ahead and start working on stuff and editing these videos. So I went to IKEA and I grabbed a couple of Alex drawers, which I will have linked in the description down below. And I went to Home Depot and I grabbed a door, just a solid wooden door to use as the table surface. And after assembling some IKEA furniture and putting the top on, I had myself a desk. So that is pretty much where the room is at now. Over the next few weeks, I will be building other projects for this room. So if you guys are interested in those, make sure to go hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you guys don't miss them. And I will see you guys in next week's video.